and I'm here to talk to you about using foundation makeup with your David Bowie costume. Now, as I'm sure you're well aware, David Bowie's costumes always involved a lot of makeup, and the first thing you need with makeup is foundation. This is going to give your skin color an even tone across your face, and it's going to create a surface for other makeup that you're going to put on. I recommend using foundation like this, which you can apply directly. That way, it just makes it easier to put it on. What you do is you put it all over your face evenly, rub it in so that it's covering your entire face, and you want to get a foundation that's the lightest color you can find, because David Bowie's skin is notoriously pale. So don't use the usual tanner colors that people like to use. Go with something really, really white. And if you have baby powder, you can also add that on to make your skin that much lighter. The key here is that you want to look really, really pale and not show any blemishes. Also, when you're applying the foundation, make sure that you get your neck as well as your face. It's easy to think that once you've also going to be visible, and if your neck is a different color than your face, it's really going to stand out. So make sure that you get your neck after you're done with your face.